This audio press release is brought to you via Stockwave. For more, visit www.stockwave.market.
190% increase in revenue. SinglePoint announces preliminary unaudited 2019 annual results. Residential solar business unit is the primary driver for the increase in revenues and achieves business unit profitability. 190% increase in revenue, from $1.1 million to $3.3 million, projecting to continue triple-digit revenue growth, primarily powered by residential solar in 2020. Text SinglePoint to 37284 to receive corporate updates. Text Solar to 37284 to receive industry updates. CEO anticipates SING will achieve between $10 million and $12 million in gross revenues this year, up from $10 million announced in the CEO letter in January 2020. Company to focus on direct solar 1606 original hemp product line. SinglePoint plans to drive 2020 vision through organic growth in high-value, high-opportunity markets and synergistic acquisitions. SinglePoint Inc., OTCQB SING, releases preliminary, unaudited annual results achieving over $3.3 million in revenue. SinglePoint continues to show progress and annual revenue traction, delivering increased revenue in the triple digits, 190% increase from 2018 to 2019. $2 million in annual revenue was directly derived from Direct Solar of America in approximately 6 months of operations. Annualizing these results would have delivered over $5 million in 2019 revenue. The 2020s are positioned to be the decade of solar, and with SinglePoint's acquisition of Direct Solar of America and its emerging business units, SinglePoint anticipates significant and sustained growth through the decade. Direct Solar of America, at the time of acquisition by SinglePoint, was almost solely focused on expanding its national footprint by expanding into additional states with its unique and scalable residential solar brokerage model. The residential solar segment delivered nearly all the revenues and ended the year as a profitable business unit. The residential solar business unit will continue to expand into new markets, adding incremental revenue while continuing to cultivate and close additional revenue opportunities in established markets. New market expansion and increased efficiencies should deliver continued revenue growth, and the Direct Solar of America residential business unit is targeting an annual revenue range of $7 million to $10 million for 2020. Throughout the year, Direct Solar of America identified additional high-caliber revenue opportunities in underserved markets within the domestic solar market. The company created commercial and capital business units, committing internal capital and resources, along with forging relationships with industry and strategic segment-specific business partners to address these opportunities. Direct Solar of America, directly and through its partnerships, have engaged and made proposals to multiple schools and commercial-type projects throughout the United States on the benefits of going solar. Many of these projects are in the review stage and would result in significant revenue and profitability that is purely incremental and accretive to the existing projections for the residential solar division. According to SEIA, quote, the U.S. installed 2.6 gigawatts of solar PV capacity in Q3 2019 to reach 71.3 gigawatts of total installed capacity, enough to power 13.5 million American homes. Residential solar saw its best quarter in history in Q3, and the utility-scale solar pipeline now stands at a record 45.5 gigawatts in Q2. Total installed U.S. PV capacity is expected to more than double over the next 5 years, end quote. The press release goes on to say, quote, the increase in residential installations helped the U.S. solar market grow 45% year over year and contributed to 15 states having their best quarter ever for residential solar, end quote. Solar is growing in the investing world. Many large players are continuing to increase shareholder value. Invesco's solar ETF ran up 51% in just 1 year, becoming 2019's best-performing ETF. Many others have jumped in as well, such as Warren Buffett, investing in one of the largest solar projects to date, and Goldman Sachs launch a fund with approximately $4 billion in available capital. These are just a few selections that showcase the strength of solar and renewable options in the market. Quote, I am confident that our business units will continue to grow, which translates to SinglePoint being in a better position than we have ever been. We believe the successful operating results in 2019 will continue into 2020, driving our value past historical values to new heights, states Greg Lambrecht, CEO. In my opinion, it's never been a better time to be a shareholder of SinglePoint. We have growing business units in thriving sectors. We have recently become a fully reporting public company and are committed to continuing to enhance shareholder liquidity by uplisting to the appropriate exchange that allows investors to confidently invest in the company due to its trading volume. End quote. Our proprietary brand of smokable hemp, 1606, continues to expand into new accounts, fueled by the increasing consumer demand for additional products that deliver the benefits of CBD in our proprietary brand of smokable hemp products, 1606. The company's 1606 Original Hemp brand was launched at the MJ BizCon show in Las Vegas. Executives and senior management recently attended the TPE Tobacco Show in Las Vegas, which verified that retail is looking for a product that satisfies the growing consumer demand for hemp and CBD-based products. The 1606 Original Hemp brand is an exclusive line of products that capitalizes on the emerging trend in the smokable hemp market, and has already been picked up by distributors and retail outlets, Lambrecht reported. Quote, "We are encouraged by the reception and demand this new product category received at NACS," he said. Our success at NACS with the smokable hemp product allowed SinglePoint to secure a distribution agreement to distribute primetime flavored cigars with Japan Tobacco USA, a division of Japan Tobacco International, which operates in over 130 countries. End quote.
This audio press release is brought to you via Stockwave, production company that provides audio services to a variety of clients. Stockwave may have been compensated for the production of this audio service. In trading, there can be no assurance that any prior successes or past results as to income earnings can be used as an indication of future success or results. Audio services by Stockwave are for informational purposes only and do not purport to be a complete study of the featured company or other companies mentioned. Information used and statements of fact have been obtained from the featured company and other sources, but not verified nor guaranteed by Stockwave as to completeness or accuracy. Listeners are advised to use caution and seek the advice of qualified professionals before acting on any information provided by Stockwave's audio services. Listeners are also advised to perform their own due diligence when it comes to making investment decisions. For more, visit www.stockwave.market.